All right, hello everybody and welcome to the show. My name is Shane. What we're going to look at today is the time lapse of day 2 of the bark painting. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, I'm back. You didn't get rid of me that quick. There is a link to the first day video right there. Feel free to hit it now. Feel free to hit it later. Give a like in the video. Have some fun. Share this out. Let's get this going. See ya. Time I knew not to do too much. Alright. Now. Together some of this. Nice. Just a loose cream. It's probably a good color. Let's hope. Let's just put them in where it needs to go. Which I'm gonna stop thinking, because that's what gets me in trouble, yo. That's what gets me in trouble. So we don't want to think, we just want to do. Thinking a little bit. What we want to do is just give it some life here and there, so it looks we have all these colors pop through from underneath, so should be all good. Especially everything we've done before, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. In abstract, you know, it's always fine. There's nothing you can really do. I'd certainly like to thank my patrons for making all this possible. I'd like to thank Junior Sim Racing, TC Hollingsworth, Mary Lynn Whalen, Boomer League, Sandra Scala. You guys are great. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers, everybody. Get enough glaze over it and you can use all